Hey guys, welcome back to How to Daily. And in this video, I'll tell you 3 best dropshipping suppliers for TikTok Shop. Alright, let's begin. CJ Dropshipping, best overall for TikTok Shop. CJ Dropshipping stands out as an all-in-one solution for dropshippers. With a dedicated catalog for TikTok Shop and warehouses in the US, it ensures fast shipping times. The platform also offers extensive support documents and a seamless integration process, making it the top choice. Pros: dedicated TikTok Shop product catalog, fast US delivery times, no monthly subscription fees. Cons: limited to US-based products for TikTok Shop. Trendsy best for fashion dropshipping on TikTok. Trendsy specializes in affordable fashion items and maintains a warehouse in Los Angeles, California. It is ideal for those looking to start a clothing dropshipping business on TikTok. Pros: trendy fashion items, TikTok verified product collection, free to use. Cons: focused primarily on fashion items. AASM best for TikTok dropshipping in the UK. AASM excels in offering a fully automated platform with a strong presence in the UK. Recently, it has also expanded its inventory to include US-based products, providing greater flexibility. Pros: excellent customer service, automated platform, wide range of products. Cons: monthly subscription fees apply. And that's it, you are done.